You can tell us about your experience, overall experience with Clinilaunch and the journey here.
It's good experience, ma'am. I joined 2023, ma'am. When I am in form the fifth year, ma'am, I joined. Now I am form the sixth year. It's been completed course also. In Clinilaunch, I joined medical coding for 3 months, ma'am. Course. It is 1 hour class, but I studied. I researched about medical coding, and I studied about very much about the coding also. I learned and I done exams in that in Clinilaunch. I applied for a job for now. On that time onwards only I joined, ma'am, for job research. In when we joined in this group, ma'am, Clinical Launch, we are applying resumes and applying for a job, attending the live sessions, and in like All Health also I attended, ma'am, like sessions. Now on May I joined different types of jobs in clinical research. Resumes I applied. Different resumes also I applied.
And 2023, how many interviews you have given so far, Divya?
In phone on online I given, ma'am, 3, 4. That's all, ma'am.
Okay, and you have got placed finally.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you happy? Did you already join the company?
Yes, ma'am.
When was your joining date?
On June 2nd, ma'am.
Okay, Monday, June 2nd. So
Yes,
about
ma'am.
6 days already, 5 days in the company. How's the company? How's the atmosphere? Are you liking everything?
Yes, ma'am. It's good, ma'am.
Do you have some seniors also there? Clinilaunch seniors?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. Thank you so much, Divya, for all your time. And we are very happy for your success. I'm sure that you also have put in a lot of efforts to be where you are. And, in case in future, if you have anything, you please do let us know. We are always there to support. And all the best, Divya.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.